So guys, I just wanted to do a real quick video. It's kind of like an unboxing, but there's no box and there's no package. And I've already tested them out for like a day already. So I kind of have some first impressions, but I need to try them out just for a little bit longer, especially the Beard Balm. And this is a brand called the Lion's Mane, and they're quite a new brand based in the UK. And they've got some cool scents with their beard oils and beard balms, and they sent me some stuff just to try out. So they actually sent me out the Kiwi and Grapefruit beard balm and oil so I could wear them as a pair. I've been fairly impressed with them. So let's just have a quick look at the balm. The balm has obviously got a scoop out of it already. The balm looks really nice. It's really soft. You can see like the little bits of shea butter. It kind of goes a little bit cake-like, I find, shea butter when it's used as the main butter in like a balm or a beard butter, and it really gives that nice feel and that nice texture. So I can tell that the shea butter has just been melted down with the rest of the ingredients. It's been blended really nicely. It's really soft and smooth. It's got a firmness to the balm, but it's not too firm, so it's going to be really easy to apply. I'd say this balm is a bit more like a moisturizing balm. I'm just going to take a quick look at the ingredients that they have in here, because it's obviously got a lot of shea butter. I can tell that's the main ingredient. Jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, bit of beeswax and fragrance oil. I'll come on to the fragrance in a minute. So the beard oil has got sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and then fragrance. So really good products, really good ingredients there as well. And the scent is really nice. You can really get the kiwi coming through, and that's on the balm, and the oil and the grapefruit. Like, it's a very sweet, sickly kind of scent actually. I mean, you're getting that obvious freshness that comes through with the kiwi and the grapefruit, like the citrus notes, but actually when they blend together it's quite sweet like, and I really like it. The one time I've worn it, I was fairly impressed so far. I just need to give it a little bit more of a test and see how it actually leaves the beard, feeling how soft it feels. And then I'll do a proper review video and let you guys know a little bit more about my thoughts on these products. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.